Hello everyone, are you ready for another amazing video that we have to do some assembling? Look at this package arrived from Paint and Fairy Cross Stitch, and you know what's on the inside? Let's peekaboo what's on the inside. Lots of pieces and bits. First of all, as always, we have their booklet. How the threads created, Egyptian threads with real cotton. Here you go. Certificates and everything. Very good product. My favorite brand to work with. You know how much I love their cross stitch. And today we are going to review another table or extension base to hold your frame. And I think you will like this one. Let's see what we have in here. So I guess we're just going to open it right now. So this one is green color. I already have a green frame. I might need scissors. One time I was opening my packaging with the scissors. It was a very good sharp scissors, and now it's through and I cannot open nothing with it. So you know what, let me fight with this. I open and I will come back to you. Are you ready? Okay, so you know what it is? This is extension for your table to put your frame on it. You know how I always working with my square frames, and I use just like a flat, my desk table literally laying flat, and I'm stitching that way. So I'm using clamp and hold my frame. So this is actually extension with the clamps, so you can put your fancy frames, and I will see if my actual plastic frame would work on this as well. So let's get started to assemble again. What we have in here: two connectors of this end pieces when your frame usually laying on it. What this is, I have to figure out yet. I'm not sure. Oh, that's probably okay. This go on the top of this. We have two pieces like this, and that is your how angle you want to use. Yeah, you want a straight, a little bit an angle, 45 degrees, 40, 30, whatever comfortable for you to stitch. A whole bunch of screws and Allen keys in two kind, and we have those end caps. But two of these end caps, I see they cut a little bit, and I believe they cut because to put edges in here, yes, you have to use one of this. Basically we can put right now, but in here we have the screw very cut close, so that's why you have this one that we need to have cut to fit the screw through. And hopefully that's already measured. They will go nice and smoothly. Let's just check. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so we have one of this. We can kind of start. Let me put the other one, the one that is cut. You can place them on a very end. I will do this right now. Why not? It doesn't matter when you're going to put. So two ready. Now let's put our cups on a bigger one. One. You're going to love it. If you think the bigger one is too complicated, this is super easy. I will post link under my video in the description box. You can use 5% discount code Natalia and save some money. Now what we need to do, this one pieces, you can see we have some for the screws, and I believe which one, oh, so we have to kind of like slide in here. You see, slide go. So those screws just attach these pieces. We don't need that, but let's just assemble one. We need for that to open first, a little bit loosen up these pieces. Second one as well, I guess we need later. I put away all the rest of stuff. Let's concentrate on a little bit more clean table. So this is all these pieces for one side only. The easy way to do it probably will be, we already have our cups in here. What I will do on a longer piece, I will add, but let's start with this one, holder for our frame. I think I already opened enough. Okay, so our screws on the side, so we have to attach this one on the top, and I will attach my on the very edge, so I can have a more support right to the plastic, like on the edge in here. Hold it for the comfort. Press to the bar, make sure the screw catch together. Double check if it's fit. Let me just look. It looks like it's all got on the inside. So is this side. Oopsie, that's loud. That was loud. My apologies. Gonna tie it up even more, as tight as I can. Okay, so this part is ready. What we will do now? Let's attach first maybe to our base. So for our base, we have this kind of part in here. So we have to loosen up the screw in here. And I already look, you can make actually a few different ways in here with this part. You can place it just on the top with outside, but this will create extra support. So we will put this, okay, here is how it looks like. This go to the table and this one on the outside. So we will place one of this. For me it's easy from this way to screw, so I will put this on the top in here. Hold it tight and let's make a connection in here. Okay. Double check. And I don't really need to tie up this yet because we have to attach our bar. So our bar, we're going to attach again this holes in here. You can attach now, you can attach later. So our holes need to look sideways and maybe somewhere in here. Let me undo a little bit, because that's the thing, you have to, if you tie it up, then you can't put the other piece, they have to kind of go together. So let me lose a little bit in here again. Okay, we learn as you. Okay, I already assemble one, so I will measure to this, and you can see I assembled. So now I need to show you how I did it, so I will make sure I have even. Okay, I'm having the technical difficulties. My camera stopped recording. Okay, hopefully I wasn't talking to myself. Okay, so when you put this piece on a base and this green bar, and then you put them together. Okay, make sure they catch. And is it? I'm gonna make sure it's catch on this side. It might be not very straight. I have to loosen up, and okay, now I can feel it. It's go in it. Okay, we should have this now. Okay, so this one go to the table. You have now this. Now let's put this down like this and attach. We're going to attach probably we're going to attach first. Let's see, maybe this bar after this. So we're going to put now this side in here and go into your bar. As you can see, this one go kind of a little bit further. I guess that's what's supposed to be. I'm not sure. So now again, we're holding this and this together tight, and then we're going to tight together both of them. One is done, and then this one. Okay, that should do now. Next what we have to do, okay, we have this plates. What we're going to do, we put on the outside, we have 2 holes in here. We're going to connect kinda, let's see how we're going to do. We have this one bar, so we're going to put between, kind of like a sandwich, okay, like that. You have 3 holes, put sandwich, and this center will go on the top, so we can put actually down so it's easier for you to see. Okay, 1 hole, another hole, and our screws will go from this side. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Another side we have to use this piece. There is a flat kinda and a little bit round, so with the flat side we just have to attach at least one to hold these pieces together so they don't fall apart on us right now. Okay, I'm not going to tie it too much yet. So now we have, oh, hold on, I put on the wrong side. I think I put on the wrong side. Is it? Yes, I did. I need to do opposite way. Okay, wait a minute, I didn't do it good because I already created my side. I need to do the opposite side. Okay, when you put this down on the table, put this first, then you put this plate on the center, then this bar, because the other side you have to do opposite. Okay, and that's what mixing up with me. Okay, we're doing it slow all together. Okay, this way. Now same thing, I'm going to put this now down. Another screws. Now it's a small one. On the center we have to get our bigger screw. On the outside, small one. When you're trying to do fast, there's always something. Okay, this one you can do tight as you want. Okay, now the other one underneath, go, make sure we go on the edge one. Okay, on the edge one. Okay, I hope I'm correct right now. Okay, this way. And then we have one more in here. This is our level where we want to be. So let me move this stuff a little bit. and here is our 2 bars. I have one in here, so I kind of attach in here. I'm not sure if I need this level or not, but we're going to match this. Okay, so we're going to put this kind of on the top just to see the angle. Okay, so that's the one that I need. I'm going to put my remaining screw in here. I literally went to the website and there is a video up there. So these pieces, I guess it's optional. Okay, you can use them, you can scrap them, whatever you want. So basically, if you don't want to have this bulky black pieces, you can replace them with this tiny pieces. But because I already assembled with this, I will keep it for now at least. Okay, so this is our one side of the frame. How we're gonna show you like that. And here is the other one. So now I need to go and screw them to my desk and see how this is going to look like. Here it is at my desk right now. As you can see, it's on a very edge. I will have to say that with the keyboard, it really doesn't work for me to screw this close enough, but it is for the big frame. I just got to kind of to the edge of my table where is no keyboard, kind of it's better this way. But if you have a regular table, this is how it looks like. Looks fantastic. And then if you need to make a better angle, you just unscrew 1 and 2, re-level it and put back screws in here. So this is fantastic, so easy to assemble and easy to store. Now let me put frame on the top and check it out. I think my frame look pretty good on this holder. I would have to readjust a little bit to make it lower for myself. It depends on your chair. So if I will stitch in here by my computer chair, or I can raise it or lower a little bit frame for myself. So I think most likely I will lower and just readjust if I want to be more kind of like lay down or more up. So that's all about when I go into stitch, and then I will adjust the best for my liking. On a website, you can see in here there's 4 colors up there: mahogany, green, it's almost like yellow, and then orange one, and it's right now $99 USA. Go ahead, when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see video how to assemble and pictures and video. So happy shopping, everybody. I think I like it, and I should stitch right now a little bit. That's good. This piece is holding tight so your frame doesn't fall, and if I put more close to each other, then probably will be good for me to stitch on my square frames. But I just need to pick a different table or figure out how to work with the keyboard. Happy shopping. I will see you later. Links under the video.